Kasim here. So we're gonna make today a big pot of chili. Okay, chili is a very classic dish, so you can serve it any occasion. Okay, so we're gonna start the propane stove. So we're cooking outside, so because we're using the propane.
Love of my soul.
Wake up and 4 cup. Onion. Cook them until they're gold brown. Now we're gonna add the pork ground meat.
It's kissing.
15 kg of ground meat.
My soul.
See? So the meat is getting separated now. So keep stirring it until this water from the meat is dried out. Once the water is dried out, that means the meat is cooked. So then we're gonna add the tomato sauce, tomato paste, and the spices. And let's let it cook for like maybe 1 hour, and it should be ready. Okay guys, you can see so the meat is nicely cooked, all water dried. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add
It's kissing.
right, it's nicely mixed. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna add spices, roasted garlic and pepper. So you see 300 gram. So put it nicely. Salt seasoning, so like 200 gram.
Love of my soul.
So just mix it properly. Looks delicious. Look at that nice red color there. Let's add some crushed chili pepper. It's almost like 200 gram.
Love of my soul.
Just give it a nice spicy taste. Okay. Corn. Okay. About 7.5 kg of corn.
It's kissing.
Yeah. Now we have a kidney beans in here. That's almost like a 10-12 kg.
It's kissing.
Mix it properly. Oh, it's getting heavy, guys. We're gonna add some water into it, and just let it cook for like 1 hour. Then I'm gonna check a little bit. Water. 1 more liter of water. So you don't want to add too much water because you don't want to make it too watery. Okay, so let it sit on low flame, cook it like almost around 1 hour, and we'll check it again. Okay? Okay guys, look at that. Seems ready. Yeah. It's really delicious. Let's have a taste. tasty, man. It's really tasty. Heaven on earth. Okay, guys, this big pot of chili, it's for a good cause. So we're gonna take that big pot to feed the homeless. Today is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas. So we're gonna go to downtown Vancouver and we're gonna serve the homeless people who mostly need a hot meal in these 3 days. So many friends have involved into it. Everybody donates something, and I made that big pot of chili. So we're going to serve it today evening. And I wish to everyone Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, stay safe. Bye.
Love of my soul.